Adrian! We are here now in Subic Safari.
Clap your hands.
Let's go, let's
If
go.
you know this fast, clap your hands.
Ayan, saan na tayo? Where are we?
Subic.
What? Where are we?
Zoo.
Zoo? Anong zoo? Subic?
Yeah.
Subic Safari.
So everyone, meet Billy, our ball python. Ball python can grow the length of up to 5 feet. And by the way, they are called ball python. It is because they love to roll into... Now they are Maxine. Okay, volunteers, you promise you are not going to drop it, okay? Stand still. You can shout, it's okay. But please do not drop Maxine. Alright, how about a picture taking together with this beautiful snake? Once again, this is Maxine, our Burmese python. It can grow from 13 to 25 feet long and can weigh from 200 to 300 pounds. Okay.
Now we're going to the tiger. Line up na daw, line up.
Line up na.
Aray! Hold, mommy. So, yan na, Adrian. Sasakay na tayo. Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah. Are we gonna buy a toy later? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Pili na po tayo, meaning Lamon Tiger Painting. Pero may kita nyo po. Oh, dulo ko sila.
Buksan mo to, wala kang magagawa.
Pagpigtigan namin.
I know how to speak Japanese.
Saan ba yung dulo mo?
Naglalakot yung dulo ko.
Okay, tapos balik na dito.
Okay, for mga po yung bus sabi po, baka may gusto po yung mamili ng souvenir guys, habang wala po tayo. Magiging
Adrian, are you excited? Adrian, do you want to feed the tiger?
Yes!
Okay, give your hand.
Tiger! Yo! The tiger will bite you. Oh no! There's a big...
Adrian!
Hold! I have to hold here! Let's go!
Wow, so big tiger. So big. White tiger, no? White tiger, no?
I never seen a white tiger.
Tiger, come here. Get the arm of Adrian.
That's a dead tiger.
Wala, nakatingin sa arm mo, Adrian.
Diba? Nag-fight the tiger.
Hello, tiger.
White tiger.
Where's the
Safari.
No, we are going down now. I want yellow tiger. No, we are going down now. Come on. We're going to go. Slow down.
Just guys, yes.
Uy, roller coaster Finding Tiger ka mo, Finding Tiger.
Finding Tiger.
Nagkakago yung ibang tiger. Uy, wala daw tayong food. Ayaw lumapit, wala tayong chicken.
Dapat pala meron tayo pinakain.
Wala daw, busog na daw. Busog na. Eh, wala sa pangangit yan dito eh. Ayun o, di ba? Busog na nga sila. Busog na.
Sa kulungan na nila.
Ay,
Ayun yung gusto ko. Yung tiger na yun, oh.
tiger daw doon.
Titignan din natin yung mamaya, eh. Titignan natin yung mamaya.
Nandoon. Ayun, nandun. Nasa cage.
Hindi pinapalabas.
Ayun, mga yung tiger. May white, may yellow.
Uy, hindi yawo yan! Uwi dyan! Uwi dyan! Hindi yawo!
Kasi yung mga kulay pula ko nito.
Orange ba yan? Oo, yan.
Para kay Bongbong Marcos yun eh.
Bukong Marcos!
Kay Sarah eh.
Wala na, uwi na. Sa punta. Road trip. Ayun na. Bye, tiger!
Ana, labas na tayo.
Busog na yung tiger, wala tayong mapapala
Ang
doon.
tiger. Ayaw magsitayo. Mga pondak na. Hapon na kasi.
Oo nga. Roller coaster. Roller coaster.